Thank you, nature. A gentle story about learning to be thankful for the little things. One morning, Charan stood near the window at home. He looked outside. The sky was bright. Charan saw trees moving gently, and leaves danced in the air. Charan paused and watched quietly. He felt the sunlight on his face. It felt warm. Charan felt calm inside. Nature felt kind. Charan smiled softly and felt thankful. He stayed by the window just for a moment. His body felt relaxed, and his breath felt slow. I notice the world around me. Nature helps me feel calm. I am thankful.
Growing heart's tale.